Hello students, Sai Ram. Let us continue with this revision of same chapter, chapter number 9. We will do here today some more important questions. So the first question is evaluate the following. -12 upon -5 plus 7 upon -3 plus -5 upon 14 plus 22 upon 7. So first we will see here, this is the question given. Here in the numerator also minus is there, in the denominator also minus is there. So minus upon minus will be positive. Negative divided by negative is positive. So here you can see 12 upon 5 is written. And then here plus and here minus is there. So what we will write here? We will write minus. Minus 7 upon 3. Because plus minus is minus. So minus 7 upon 3. And here also you see this one is plus, here it is minus. So it will become minus 5 upon 14. And then plus 22 upon 7. So this way we will write. First step will be this. Now you see here all the denominators are different. So what we'll do? We'll take LCM of 5, 3, 14 and 7. So when we'll take LCM of this 4 numbers, we will get 210. That means we have to make denominator 210. So first we will write this one, this rational number, that is 12 upon 5. Now here you can see in the denominator 5 is there. So 5 multiplied by 42 is equal to 210. So same way here also numerator also will be multiplied by 42. So when you will take LCM, you will understand that what you should multiply by 5 to get 210. So 5 into 42 is 210, 12 into 42 will be 504. Now we will take the next number, rational number, minus 7 upon 3. Now here in the denominator 3 is there. So 3 into 70. 3 into 70 is 210. Same way in the numerator also we are going to multiply minus 7 by 70. So you will get here minus 490. So the next rational number will be minus 490 upon 210. Now we'll take the third rational number, that is minus 5 upon 14. Now here you can see in the denominator 14 is there. So when you multiply 14 by 15, you will get 210. Same way here in the numerator also minus 5 will be multiplied by 15. So you will get minus 75 upon 210. Now we will take the fourth rational number, that is 22 upon 7. Now here you can see 7 is there in the denominator. So then what we'll do? 7 will be multiplied by 30. 7 into 30 is 210. Even in the numerator we'll do the same thing. We are going to multiply 22 by 30. So when you multiply, you will get 660. So this way you can see here we got 504 upon 210 here. And here we got minus 490 upon 210. Then minus 75 upon 210. 660 upon 210. So we got all the denominators same. Now we are going to solve it. Now we'll see the next step. Here you can see it is written like here in place of, here you can see it is solved. We will write this one 504 upon 210. And then we'll write this one minus 490 upon 210. And then we will write here minus 75 upon 210. And then fourth one plus 660 upon 210. So all the 4 rational numbers we will write. And then as the denominator is same, so we will write 210 as denominator. And then this we will write first 504, then minus 490, minus 75, plus 660. And then we'll solve it. You know how to solve it. So here what we'll do? We are going to add this 2. If you want, you can do this way. First we'll add these 2 numbers. And then this 2 we will add, but you will give minus sign. So when you add this 2, you will get minus 565. And when you add 504 and 660, you will get 1164. And then what we will do? We are going to subtract these 2 numbers. So when you will subtract, you will get 599 upon 210. And then we are going to divide 599 by 210. So when you divide, you will get 279 upon 210. So this way you are going to evaluate. If you get any question based on evaluation, you are going to solve it in this way. Now children, one more question. Subtract the sum of minus 5 upon 6 and minus 1 3 upon 5 from the sum 2 upon 3 and minus 6 2 upon 5. So that means what you have to do? You have to do subtraction also, you have to do addition also. So first what we will do? We are going to first add. We are going to add this 2 first, and then we are going to add this 2 first, and then whatever answer we will get, that we have to subtract. So this answer, whatever we will get, that will write first, and then we are going to subtract it from this one first. So step by step we will do. First we will do addition. So first what is written? Sum of these two rational numbers will write. Sum of minus 5 upon 6 and minus 1 3 upon 5. So sum means we are going to add. So see, you can see the next step. Minus 5 upon 6 plus minus 1 3 upon 5. Now you know how to solve this. Is equal to, we will write first rational number minus 5 upon 6, and this is given in mixed form. We are going to convert it into improper form. So what you will do? Same method how we have learnt in fraction. 1 will be multiplied by 5. 5 ones are 5. And then plus 3. It will be 8. 8 upon 5. And here plus into minus will become minus. And then you can see your denominators are different. So what you are going to do? We are going to take LCM of 6 and 5. LCM of 6 and 5 is 30. 6 5s are 30. So then what you will do? You will take this one, first rational number, minus 5 upon 6. Here in the denominator 6 is there. So we have to make it 30. So 6 into 5. Same way here also in the numerator we are going to multiply minus 5 also by 5. Minus, now here in the denominator 5 is there. So 5 will be multiplied by 6 to get 30. So 5 is multiplied by 6. Even 8 is multiplied by 6. Next step you see, 5 5s are 25. And here minus is there. Minus into plus is minus. So minus 25 upon 30. And then minus 8 6 are 48 upon 30. Now both the denominators are same. So we'll write 30 as denominator. Here we'll write minus 25 and then minus 48. So both are negative. So we are going to add it. So on addition what you will get? Minus 73 upon 30. So that means we have added this part. Here these two rational numbers we have added. Now what we will do? We are going to add this two rational numbers. So here it is done. Sum of 2 2 upon 3 and minus 6 2 upon 5. So see children how it is done. We will write plus minus, it will be minus. So this again we will convert it. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 upon 3. You can see here written 8 upon 3. Minus, now this also will do 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 32 upon 5. So we got this type of answer. Now what you will do? You can see your denominators are different. So what we will do? We'll take LCM of 3 and 5. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So here we have to equalize the denominator. So we'll have to get 15 in the denominator. So 3 will be multiplied by 5. 8 also will be multiplied by 5. Here 5 will be multiplied by 3. 32 also will be multiplied by 3. So that is done here. And then when you multiply, you will get 40 upon 15 minus 32 into 3 is 96 upon 15. And then what we will do? We are going to subtract it. So when you subtract, you will get 56. And here minus is there. 40 minus 96 is minus 56 upon 15. So we got another answer, another rational number here, minus 56 upon 15. And here we got minus 73 upon 30. Now children, you see the question, subtract the sum of this from the sum of this. So we have got the sum of this two rational number, we have got the sum of this two rational number. So what now we have to do? We have to subtract. So first we will write this sum. What sum we got here? We got minus 56 upon 15. So here you can see the required difference is, first we will write this rational number, that is minus 56 upon 15. Then we will write minus because now we have to do subtraction. So minus, and then we will write this rational number, that is minus 73 upon 30. Because from is there. So when from is there, first we will write this one. So here we have done the same thing. We have written this rational number first, and then we wrote minus, and then we have written then this rational number, this sum what we got. And now we are going to solve it. Now here you can see minus minus, it will become plus. Minus into minus is plus. So next step you see children, minus 56 upon 15 plus 73 upon 30. So now here you can see, you can rearrange this or you can do directly also. Here it is rearranged. So here 73 upon 30 minus this we can write, first we can write this and then we can write this. So minus 56 upon 15, or you can do directly also like this. But you have to take, now you have to take LCM of 15 and 30. And you know 30 is the multiple of 15, so LCM will be 30. So first thing here you can see, first rational number 73 is multiplied by 1, 30 is also multiplied by 1 because LCM is 30. Minus, here minus is there, so we'll give minus. Now here the denominator we have to make it 30. This is 15 here. So here denominator is 15, we have to make it 30. So 15 twos are 30. 56 twos are, we will write here 112. Here you can see in the next step 73 we got on multiplication, this 73 upon 30 minus 56 twos are 112 upon 30. Now you can see both the denominators are same, is equal to 30 and then 73 minus 112. And then when you subtract you will get 39 and sign will be minus because 112 is bigger than 73, so minus 39 upon 30. And then you will reduce it. On reducing what you will get, minus 13 upon 10. You can reduce it by 3. So you will get minus 13 upon 10. So this is your final answer. So whenever you get this kind of question, first you have to understand the question and step by step you have to solve. So in your notebook you will write down these questions and you will solve first without saying, and then you will check whether you have done correctly or not. Now children, these two questions are of 9.2. This I have given as homework. So again let me show you how to do it. You all have done in your notebook. You just see whether you have done it like this or not. Find the value of, this is from exercise 9.2. Fourth question, minus 1 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 4. So we have learned how to divide rational numbers. So here you can see, first here this is the rational number, it will be written as it is, minus 1 upon 8. This division will become multiplication, but then what you have to do, this one, this rational number we have to write in reciprocal form. And reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is 4 upon 3. So now next step you see, minus 1 into 4. In the numerator minus 1 into 4 will be there, and here in the denominator 8 into 3 you have to write. And then you will see whether you can reduce any of the number. See, these two numbers can be reduced. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So that is written here, 1 is written here, here 2 is written. And here minus 1 as it is, minus 1 into 1 upon 2 into 3. And then when you solve it, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 2 3s are 6. So you will get minus 1 upon 6. Now fifth question of the same exercise 9.2, minus 2 upon 13 divided by 1 upon 7. Same method. First rational number we will write as it is equal to minus 2 upon 13. Division we will write multiplication, and 1 upon 7 will become 7 upon 1. This is the reciprocal form of 1 upon 7. And then we just see, can we reduce? We cannot reduce. So we will just multiply numerator with the numerator of another rational number. So minus 2 into 7 will come in the numerator upon 13 into 1. So 2 7s are 14 and minus sign is there. Minus into positive will be negative. Minus 14 upon 13. Now next question, find x such that minus 5 upon 8 is equal to x upon minus 32 are equivalent rational numbers. So it is given that these two rational numbers are equivalent. And what you have to do, you have to find out the value of x. So let us see how to do it. First this is given, it is given that minus 5 upon 8 is equal to x upon minus 32. So now what we can do, we can cross multiply. So by cross multiplication we get here x is multiplied by 8. X into 8 is equal to minus 5 into minus 32. And x into 8 is 8x, and this we will multiply. 32 into 5 is 160. And we know minus into minus is plus. We have learned this. So here this is negative, multiply by negative will be positive. So we'll get 8x is equal to 160. Now x will be equal to, it's very easy, you will write this first 160, and this we will bring it here. So when you bring it here it is multiplied. So when you will bring it to the right side, it will become division. So 160 upon 8. So when you divide, you will get 20 upon 1. So answer is 20. So the value of x is 20. Now one more question, simplify. 14 upon 15 into minus 25 upon 28 plus in bracket 2 upon 3 into 6 upon 7. Children, these all questions are not there in your textbook. These are extra questions. Practice this question also. So here you will see, first we will solve this part. 14 upon 15 into minus 25 upon 28. So what you will do, you will write here. If you want, you can write this step. 14 upon 15 into 25 upon 28, minus sign you can take it out like by writing minus 1 into minus 1. And then what you will do? You will multiply it. So when you will multiply, what you have to first reduce it. So you will see which one you can reduce. See, 25 and 15 we can reduce. We can divide it by 5. 14 2s are 28. So that is written here. In place of 14, 1 is written. In place of 28 here you can see 2 is written. And then here when you divide it by 5, you will get here 5 into minus 1. And then when you solve it, what you will get here? 5 ones are 5 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 5 upon 6. You can do it by, see, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15. So here 3 is written, here 5 is written. So you just do it by reducing this way, okay? And then you will get minus 5 upon 6. Now what we'll do? We'll do this one. We'll write this 2 upon 3 into 6 upon 7. And we'll solve it. Same way, 2 into 6. Here you can see, you can reduce this. You can write first 2 into 6 upon 3 into 7. And then also, after that you can reduce. Or here only you can reduce. 3 2s are 6. So when you reduce it, what you will get? 2 into 2 upon 1 into 7. And the next step, 2 2s are 4 upon 7. So we got here 2 answer. Here first is minus 5 upon 6 and next we got 4 upon 7. And then what we have to do? We have to add this. So next step you see children, minus 5 upon 6 is written plus 4 upon 7. And then what you will do? As we have to add, so we have to take LCM of 6 and 7. LCM of 6 and 7 is 42. So here 42 is written. And then what we will do? We'll cross multiply minus 5 into 7. Or you can equalize the denominator. That method also you can do. 6 into 7. Here also you will multiply it by 7. So it is the same only, minus 5 into 7 plus here 4 into 6. And then 7 5s are 35 minus 35 plus 24 upon 42. And when you solve this, you will get minus 11 upon 42. You can do by any of the method. You will see, you will get the same answer. Now children, today I am not giving you any homework. Whatever questions I have discussed, that all you will practice it and you are going to solve it in your maths notebook. Thank you.